Welcome, Tony, to your lesson today.
Thank you, Mr. Davis.
So because today we're working on Bohemian Rhapsody, which is in the key of
B flat major.
Correct. Let's start with a B flat major scale, but we're going to do it with a metronome.
Yeah.
And because this piece has a variety of rhythmic values, what we're going to do is I'm going to put the metronome on at 80 beats per minute, and I want you to play through. We're going to do crotchets, then quavers, then triplets, and then semiquavers. And so you're going to do 1 octave in crotchets, and then you'll do 2 octaves in quavers, 3 octaves up and down, obviously, in triplets, and then 4 in semiquavers.
Sure.
So. Nice, very good. And you can play around with that and do some rhythms. So you could do, in the semiquavers, you could do long, and then reverse it. Can you get that back?
Sure.
Excellent. Could you just try and play maybe 2 octaves straight now?
Sure. In semiquavers?
Yeah. Perfect. Beautiful. Excellent. Absolutely amazing. So I'd write that down.
Yep.
And I would even go as far to write that out in Sibelius. And you can use that as an exercise.
Great.
Alright, let's begin with Bohemian Rhapsody.
Sure.
And I'll see how you've gone since last week. Beautiful, I'll pause you there.
It sounds so much better at home.
It's fine, no, it's beautiful. Very good, you've done a lot of work since last week. Particularly loved your left hand through there.
Oh, thank you.
It was beautiful and even. Circle. Beautiful, gorgeous. Very good. Lovely use of pedal, lovely use of colouring. Now, one of the difficult things about this piece, which comes as a difficulty with playing this instrument, is playing a melody in amongst harmony.
Yeah.
And so there were times where I felt the voicing could have perhaps been a little clearer. In this section here, maybe you want to give that a circle. I just sometimes felt maybe perhaps the voice got a little bit lost. And then just voicing the top part of the yeah. Beautiful. Mostly it was all absolutely fantastic. Just there were a couple spots because they're particularly dense and tricky. So we might come up with an exercise to help with that.
Sure.
In your for your tech SAC.
Yep.
So we can isolate this issue away from the piece.
Yeah.
So what I might get you to do, let's do a B flat major scale. We'll just do it in the right hand for now. And can you harmonise this the scale? So you'll play the chord.
Yeah.
Like that. Beautiful, fantastic. Now let's do it again. And I would like you to use the pedal to make it legato. And all the way through, I want you to try and aim to clearly have the tonic of the main scale degree to be clearly heard over the chord. Just like that.
With the pedal?
With the pedal. Very good. Now this time, let's do it again, and I want you to ghost the bottom two notes. So that way we only have the weight of the arm going into the sound, the melody.
With the pedals?
Oh yeah, with the pedal. As if you're playing it, but just without them.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
It's really hard.
It's incredibly hard. It's really hard. And now can you play it again and let the notes sound, but still have that sense of dropping into the melody note. Beautiful. Very nice. So that is an exercise I would like you to write out.
Yep.
And use that as part of your tech SAC and part of your daily technical practice.
Yep.
Because then that's going to totally help you. Just try it now. Let's just, with this one bar here, just in the right hand, can you play what's written but ghost the harmony and play the melody? Beautiful. And now let's do it with the harmony. Beautiful. There it is. And so you can do that in both hands because there are some voices down here that you'd want to bring out in the left hand.
What should I bring out, do you reckon?
Probably the descending bass line would be a really good support in this section.
That was a hard one.
There's a hard one. Beautiful. And then that'll complement the melody nicely. And so practice, do that exercise, do it in both hands in your practice at home. And do it hands together, and maybe, and because, so in this section, the voices are on the inside. Am I correct in saying that?
I think at the top.
Was there probably the voices in the
Here.
middle? Ah, yes, sorry. Yes, so, yes. So when you've got something where the voice is not in the top of the chord, it would be useful to use the same exercise, but try and bring out the middle note.
So the same chord exercise?
Yeah, but bring out the middle as opposed to... And so that way you can practice shifting the weight between the chord.
Yeah.
And so I would do that as an exercise, and that because all of this page, the biggest difficulty I see that strikes me would be voicing and balancing chords. And so doing that exercise would be good to do it with different scales, different harmonies, maybe do octaves, the octave chords in both hands. Yes. And stretch yourself. See if you could make the top two and the top and the bottom forte and the middle pianissimo. Oh, sorry. Brilliant, fantastic, excellent. So that would be a good chunk of your tech work for this piece, I think. And I would write that out. I'd write it out. Right hand, just a triad, left hand, and then I would do some variations, being the chords. And if you need help in your next lesson, we can explicitly write them out if you would like to hand for that.
Have you got any exercises from a book or something that I could use to, like other sorts of?
Absolutely. I had a look through just before you arrived and noticed there are some really tricky leaps. You know, moving across the keyboard, which need delicacy and precision. So I found for you this Cherney etude. It's only 16 bars, and this will make up part of your tech stack as well.
Great.
And as you can see, it's predominantly for the right hand, but you could, if you wanted to really stretch yourself, you could even try flipping the hands and playing that in the left hand, you know. And this whole etude is designed to get your hands moving across the keyboard. Beautiful. That's the idea, and you've already identified the main thing, which is that these notes, the non-repeated notes need to come out, and the repeated B flat needs to just be nice and gentle, so we can hear that melody the whole way through.
Sure.
And because these leaps are actually impossible almost to connect with the fingers, well, unless you've got humongous hands, like Rachmaninoff. I would try and use some clever pedaling to connect those. And so practice it slowly and see if you can get some clever pedaling. So maybe even just a touch of flutter pedal or something, you know. Beautiful. That's exactly it. Perfect. And then that way you're shifting across, but you're audibly playing very legato.
Yeah.
So, and that way it's comfortable and accurate, and you're not stretching or twisting or anything, which is going to help you through all of this, because this entire piece has things that shift up and across. Yes.
Thank you, Mr. Scabbers. I'll go home and practice really hard.
Thank you.
And keep preparing my tech sack.
Modest.
Okay.
Welcome, Tony.
Thank you, Mr.
Thanks,
Scabbers.
listen.
Thank you.
No worries.
Start it again.
Why did I say no worries? Welcome, Tony.
Thank you, Mr. Muscovius. Thank you.
Maybe just play. I'll give it a fresh cut and action.